Hi everybody, welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's make puffy paint to make ice cream. You need to get markers, shaving cream, glue, food coloring, paper, bowl and a spoon, and measuring cups. And when we're done, we'll open the Kinder Egg. Step number 1. Let's draw and color the cone. Let's use brown. Parents can help make 3 dots for a triangle, and kids can connect the dots. Make some diagonal lines so it looks like a cone. Now it's time to color the cone. Have 2 fingers on the pencil. Move your fingers up and down and stay inside the lines. Step number 2. Draw ice cream and a cherry. I'm going to use red. Step number 3. Let's make puffy paint. You need half a cup of shaving cream. You need 1/4 of a cup of glue. Add 5 to 6 drops of food coloring. Now use the spoon to mix all the ingredients together. Our puffy paint is all ready. Let's put it on our ice cream. Step number 4. Decorate the paper around the ice cream. Let's make some dots. Put 2 to 3 markers together and press down on the paper to leave a mark. Great job, guys! Let's open the Kinder Egg now. It's a launcher. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye.